Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Lovable to GitHub in 2026. So this is helpful because connecting your project to GitHub lets you keep your code synced, organized, and easier to manage while you work. So first, open up your browser and go to the official Lovable website. Log into your account, then open the project that you want to connect and make sure it is the correct project because the GitHub setup will apply to that project. So once you're inside the project, look for the GitHub icon near the top right corner and click it. If you do not see it, open the project settings to connector, then choose GitHub. This will take you to the same connection area. Next, click Connect GitHub, and then Lovable will send you to GitHub so that you can sign in and approve the connection. GitHub will ask you to authorize the Lovable GitHub app, so review the permissions and continue. After that, choose where you want to install the app. This can be your personal GitHub account or an organization, depending on where your repositories are saved. Then choose the repository access. You can allow access to all repositories or select only specific repositories that you want to use. So for more control, selected repositories is the better choice. So once you click install and authorize, you will return to Lovable, and from there choose the repository for your project and check the remaining settings. After that, your Lovable project is connected to GitHub and ready to sync. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.